the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 20 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine. I'm sorry?
It was 21.
He was 21? What are you saying? Court is calling 2021 CR 3906, State versus Jesus Santoyo. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Defendant for the state of Texas.
And Jonathan Watkins for Mr. Santoyo.
And are you Mr. Santoyo?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and First Amendment Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? And did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Jesus Antonio Santoyo who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 3906 for the offense of possession with intent to deliver a controlled substance, penalty group 2, 1 gram to 4 grams on November 15th, 2021 for a period of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor, on the state's original motion to adjudication of guilt, violation of condition number 21. On or about the 22nd day of March, 2024, in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Jesus Antonio Santoyo, did then and there fail to comply with the instructions of Bexar County Supervision and Corrections Department intensive outpatient treatment as directed by the head or authorized personnel of that agency, and that the defendant failed to comply with the program requirements in violation of condition number 21.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Oh, true, ma'am.
State will waive the remaining violations on the original motion to enter adjudication of guilt, as well as the violation on the first amended motion.
Any objection?
We have no objection to that, Your Honor.
All right. Did you understand by pleading the violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 20 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine? I'm sorry?
It was 21.
He was 21? What are you saying?
I believe you said violation of
Condition.
condition 1 and.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, it was condition 21.
Great, thank you. I was speaking very quickly. Let me, Cindy, you appreciate them slowing me down. All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 21, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 20 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 21?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 21 true. All right. State, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, we're asking that this defendant's probation be extended for 1 year, that case conditions be altered and amended to include local ISF followed by ISP.
All right. And defense, what are you requesting?
And Judge, just so the court is aware, I do want the court to know that a drug court referral was made the last time we were present. I did speak to the COO, and I believe that he wasn't able to do drug court because they were at capacity.
Yes.
What we're respectfully requesting, Judge, we're on the same page with the state for pretty much the whole agreement. We're just asking that the ISF be held in abeyance. And I do want the court to pay attention to the history here. The history does not look good. Okay? I just want to be straight and out in the open with that. But I have encouraged him to attend NA meetings. He maintains to me that he has given up smoking altogether. He has a 4-year-old and a 2-year-old, I believe.
Yes, sir.
He's 23, Judge. He's about to be 24. I'm not trying to excuse any of his misconduct, but I think that that fear of God has struck him. He is scared here today. And, Your Honor, we'd be willing to do weekly reporting and weekly UAs for however long the court would impose. So I'm asking that the agreement be for the extension of probation for 1 year, Your Honor, and respectfully, if the court were willing to give Jesus one last opportunity at this, I'd ask that he be given 0 tolerance, weekly reporting, weekly UAs, and that the ISF be held in abeyance. That's what we're asking.
All right. Probation, what do you recommend?
Judge, recommendation on the court summary is within 1 year of the local ISF followed by ISP. I would like to know that with the resolution of the union.
Take care of that.
So what is happening with the new offense?
more than likely going to be asking intake to reject the offense.
Okay. So he's saying that he's going to, the state will address the new number one. So that will not be an issue.
We'd also just ask her to take judicial notice of the entire court summary.
All right. Any objections to the court reviewing the court summary?
No, Your Honor. And
All right. So I'm going to give you a choice. You only have two choices. But either choice you choose, you're going to be taken into custody today. And let me just tell you why. One, probation has been working with you since 2021 for you to stop using. And it's continued over and over again. Or either, you'll have a dilute and then there will be a positive. And then it shows here that in February 6, 2023, you were negative. The 14th, you were negative. Then you failed to submit. Then you failed submit. Then positive marijuana throughout the month of April. And then throughout the month of May, June. And then October, you failed to submit. Then February of 2024, you're positive. And it states here that they did do progressive sanctions with you. So they didn't even send it to me until.
What was that, man?
Oh, that means that they don't necessarily ask for a motion to revoke on you. They take different steps. For example, they may say, he's using marijuana. Let's give him 30 sober meetings to get it in line. And then they'll say, yeah, he's still using marijuana. Then let's do this form of treatment. So they've given you different sanctions so that you wouldn't have to come before me on a motion to revoke. And it hasn't worked.
The only thing I remember doing just the classes, if I'm
Yeah.
not mistaken.
And then you failed to comply with the instructions of intensive outpatient treatment. I mean, so it's been tried. So I can do one or two things, and it's completely up to you. But as I said, you're going to be going into custody. I can extend you for a year, and I'll extend you for a year, and you'll be taken into custody to do ISP, which is being recommended, or I can revoke you and sentence you to 2 years in the prison.
I'll do the treatment.
All right. So we'll extend for 1 year, deny the motion, alter and amend conditions to include ISP.
Is it ISN?
I'm sorry. Let me see what it says in here. Just one moment. Yes. All right. So it's local ISF followed by ISP. And probation, before he's transferred, if there's an opening in felony drug court, then that can be changed to felony drug court. Right now, they don't have an opening in felony
Would I
drug
have
court.
to? Would I have to go in today? Is there any way I could turn myself in? Like,
I'm sorry.
would I have to go in today, or can I turn myself in just to get stuff situated at the house?
No, you'd have to go in today. All right. And they're still going to be working. And if you'll maintain contact with probation to see if there's ever any openings in.
that's what my inquiry to the court was going to be, is it, should there be an opening to drug court, would he be able to, would that referral
Yeah.
still be in place?
Yes. And the problem is they have a limited number of personnel over there. I always tell people, call your legislature and tell them to give them more money because it's truly a great program.
I just want to I'll keep an eye on the drug court, because if that were, is that reflected in your notes as well?
Yes. All right. Is there anything else? All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
What happened?